how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. When you are following a lot of people on your Instagram and you want to unfollow them all, Instagram doesn't have the features to unfollow everyone at once, so you just have to unfollow one by one. In this video, I'll show you one easy step through which you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. For that, go to the Play Store and there search for Auto Tap application. Download this application from Instagram and I have just downloaded it. So when you will download it, you just have to allow some of the permissions. After that, this type of screen will appear and you just have to enable the multiple targets mode. As you can see, the toolbar has been appeared at the left side of my screen. Now go to the Instagram and go to your following list. After that, from this toolbar, choose or tap on this add options and then a number will appear. You just have to sequentially arrange this to the following list which you want to unfollow. Simply tap and adjust these numbers serially. After that, tap on this play button and as you can see, this will help you to unfollow everyone at once. After that, you can scroll down and simply adjust it and again tap on play, and in this way you can simply follow everyone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.